What's up, everyone? It is December 1st. So the sale is now, it's a 3-day only sale. Don't miss this one, guys. Up to 40% off. Stick around. All right, guys, thanks for joining me today. All my SEADOO mounts, including all my SEADOO switch accessories, clips, cup holders, phone holders, everything, flag mounts, 360 mounts, GoPro mounts, everything on both my sites, the NRG Creative website and the Etsy store, are on sale for 3 days only. So here's how it works, guys. 25% off from orders from $50 to $99. Use code ENDOFYEAR25. If you're gonna spend from $50 to 99 bucks, use code ENDOF25 to get 25% off. If you're gonna spend $100 or more, use code ENDOFYEAR40 for 40% off orders $100 or more. Got it? And it works on both sites. If you're gonna be ordering internationally, use the Etsy store. If you're gonna be using domestic, use the website or Etsy, either one. But all the mounts, and this is going to be debuting also. I've had some requests for dual color mounts, so pretty cool. This is the beefiest mount out there. This is an original. You're not going to find this anywhere else. So guys, it's going. The sale is from December 1st, 2nd, and 3rd only. That is the last sale of the year, and then I've got to start producing these Jeep mounts. So these will still be available throughout the year, but I've really got to start pushing out these Jeep mounts. So guys, get them, 3-day sale, let's go. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe, like the video, and if you want to be notified of everything else, hit that bell. You'll be notified of every time I upload a video. Also, if you want to get all of the first runs of everything, when I announce everything, I always announce it on my SEADOO group on Facebook. So I'll throw a link in the description. You can join that. That's where all the codes are listed and everything for all the discounts that go on from time to time. You're gonna get it there first. Thanks for watching, guys.